Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headline. So, first of all, what happens to Indian startups after SVB fall? Next, SVB is no Lehman. Then comes to page number 4. In charts how Indian move within the country. Then I comes to page number 5. In that, banks offer lifeline to SVB hits startup. Next, no bailout, says Yellen. Next, Adani to halt some investments, focus on current projects. Next, group prepays dollar 2.65 billion loans. Next, Blackstone to sell stake in Sona Comstar for dollar 640 million. Next, lenders lower rates as home loan growth sees a decline. Next, Dish TV board okays inducting Yes Bank backed directors. Next, crypto exchanges may face hit of Money Laundering Act rule. Next, government opposes same-sex marriage in landmark hearing. Next, on page number 6, in economy and policy section under that, legislative bodies need to represent women better. Next, settlement for breaches of competition law on cards. Next, government to appoint LIC chairman by June. Next, government to infuse more capital in 3 insurers. Next, energy PSU wait for LNG prices to cool. Next, Japan may implement UPI model interlinkage digital minister Kono. On page number 18, mark to market section under that, Germany turns page with the sign of green shoots visible. Next, Fed rate puzzle gets final inflation retail prices. Next, ray of hope for steel aluminium. Next, for Fonexi mills to rise, consumption need to pick up. Next, tech leaders race to contain SVB crisis. Next, Adani repays dollar 2.65 billion debt, releases Ambuja Cements share pledge. Next, Fed SVB closer put market on edge. FPI brace for fall. On page number 9, in corporate section of that, government to block HZL plan to for Vedanta zinc assets. Next, Lamborghini rolls into smaller cities. On page number 10, the corporate section of that, lenders lower rates as home loan growth dips. Next, battle for Dish TV control nears end. Next, revenue financiers fund SVB hit startups. Next, Adani Group looks to halt some investments. Next, Blackstone looks to exit Sona Comstar. Next, working to address SVB collapse, not looking at bailout. Next, lenders offer lifeline to startups affected by SVB collapse. Then I comes to page number 11, in deal tech is startup section under that, crypto exchanges may face heat of PMLA rule. Next, to fill PUBG Void, a local studio set to launch owns titles. On page number 12, in global section under that, China retains YI has central bank governor in surprise move. Next, Pence history will hold Trump accountable for Capitol attack. Next, Saudi Wealth Fund starts airline headed by former Etihad CEO. Next, UK is set to ban TikTok from government devices. Next, oil giant Saudi Aramco makes historic $161 billion profit in 2022. Next, BBC boss will not step down despite backlash. Next, Volkswagen Volkswagen joined global car price war. On page number 13, in news wrap section under that, road warrior. Next, tax mop up likely to fall short official. Next, JSL renew project to start by 2024. Next, Godrej looks aim to clock 24% growth. Next, government opposes same sex marriage in landmark hearing. Next, central body may regulate drug manufacturing. Next, opposition for debate on Adani. All key issues has session resumes. Next, chemical demand may hit $1,000 billion. Next, VBL hopeful for soft drink markets growth. Next, government to give funds to agencies for GI. Next, Sayadri French Navy hold exercise. Next, India would not breach Russia oil price cap. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.